Hi guys, back again with me, Bao. I am going to review this palette called Mini Controversy by Jeffree Star and Dawson. I will open the package first. I think this size is such a good size for traveler. If you travel a lot, I really recommend this. And it's easier to carry around. Oh shit, I already ruined it. So this is the packaging. Look really beautiful. You can see like the rainbow reflection here. It's kind of cute. And let's open this up. Ooh, the color is pretty cute. It's like earth tone, but like, yeah, I kind of feel like earth tone on this one, but like more vibrant earth tone, if that makes sense. I don't know. And you can see the graphic. I'm going to swatch here on my arm. So first color, okay, it's very faded. Okay, I feel like the color pigment is not that strong. I need to re-swatch like a few times. I'm gonna swatch all of it and I will show you. This is all the color that I swatched. I have to repeat it a few times to get all the consistent pigment. And I did it in orders. I will start with this color. Cry on My Couch. As the base color. And then I will use this shimmery color. And then I will use exposed color. What I impressed about this, I think I don't see much fallout, because normally most palettes would have like fallout here and you have to always clean it up later, but this one definitely looked really nice, like no fallout. I will use this purple called Controversy. My apology. And I will use this brush, like flat, on the same color here. My apology. I will do it as a eyeliner. It's not really fallout. Like, look, that's very impressive. That's very impressive. No fallout. The color, I have to say, is pigmented, but you need to like layer it up quite a few times to get this like strong color. But yeah, it's good quality. I'm happy. Cancel. I will use flatter to connect here and here together. So this is the final look after I finish everything. So my final thought about this product, I would rate this 8.5 to 9 out of 10. Maybe 8.5. Because, okay, first of all, what I like about this is beautiful packaging. And I love they have mirror here. The side is very convenient. It's lighter weight compared to like Tarte palette, which is heavier. And I don't like to carry this around. Look, it's like my hand size, so I can carry it everywhere, like literally everywhere. I really like everything about this overall, but just like maybe it's just my skin tone that I feel like, oh, some color is just not get along with me well. And I know that I'm not gonna use all of it. I don't know, it's fit my skin, but I feel like it's not as pigmented as I expected. So yeah, I just cut that 1 point down. I found that I need to layer it up several times to get like a legit color, you know. So yeah, it's not like super pigmented. I don't know, it's kind of pro and con as well, because a lot of times when you use very like super pigmented product and you just put it at one time, you cannot fix it. But this time kind of take longer for you to build up, but it's definitely worth the price, you know. And overall, this is such an amazing product. You should definitely have one if you can. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy my reviews, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on, you know, everywhere. I link it down below and out here. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.